The way the light hits this place, it's so nice. Before I started on the backsplash, I actually wanted to finish the kitchen. Here we go. It's now or never. Good morning. I am back in the house. It is such a beautiful sunrise. It's 9 o'clock, but the way the light hits this place, it's so nice. Yesterday my partner finished putting the filler on all of the creeks. We cleaned it up a little bit here as well. But today I've got a few very important tasks. I want to prime the whole glass backsplash. I want to go out and do some Christmas shopping because it's the 19th of December and Christmas is very soon approaching and we are hosting, and our fridge is very much empty here and in our other house as well. And the last thing on my to-do list is to do the carpets. So we've got a carpet doctor, something like that. Our friends lend it to us and I need to use it and I've got to use it properly. It's gonna take me ages, but we need to do it properly the first time. And then after that's done, we're gonna be ready to set everything up. Yesterday I made a pile of stuff that we want to give away, including all of these, including this furniture, all the paintings in the house. I put everything on Facebook Marketplace. We've got a kettle, a toaster, everything. And I'm just waiting for people to come and pick them up. Someone already messaged me, but hopefully we have everything sorted by Christmas. So now I'm just gonna start on the primer thingy on the backsplash. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, but I'm gonna try my best and figure it out and hope that it works. Before I started on the backsplash, I actually wanted to finish the kitchen, so I'm gonna do the three cupboards that are higher that I couldn't reach yesterday, because that way when I do the backsplash everything's gonna be dry and I can just start moving stuff in. So let's do this one. And I'm watching Zabella's Vlogmas because I am behind and I love it.
Sometimes love is a river running strong, moving like a wave through a rocky river.
You know what? I'm just gonna go for it because I've been cleaning it. It still doesn't look like perfectly clean, so I'm just gonna go for it. I've got this bread knife that I'm gonna use as a guard. I'm just gonna hope for the best, so let's do it. Let me put some things on here first, like a paper or something. Okay, let's see how this works, if this works. Gonna take a little bit. Here we go, it's now or never. Oh, okay, this is not bad. Should we put like one of these up and down motions like this? Got no idea if I'm doing this correctly or not, but we'll see. I don't think I've ever painted anything in the house because obviously like we're renting and it's just not something you do. So this feels very weird. I feel like I'm doing something really, really bad. But I still like to change anything, so I want to climb on top of this thingy. Can I? I should be able to. Okay. Okay, I'm on top of my kitchen. This is gonna take a lot longer than I thought, but it's okay. I've got the whole thing.
Sometimes love is a river running strong, moving like a wave
back in my lovely Rosa. I actually want to go to Lidl first, then I might go to Costco, then I might go to Tesco. So we've got a bit of a journey ahead of us, but I want to make sure I get everything for Christmas. And that's a lot of stuff. So now that the kitchen is clean, I'm gonna put everything back in the new kitchen. But we need to buy the stuff. And it's the 19th of December, so it's 6 days before Christmas. And I need to get prepared. So let's go. I'm back home. It was crazy busy in town. I had a mini panic attack in Tesco's because it was so overwhelming. It was so overstimulating. So I didn't get to get everything that I want, but I filled my car up. I filled Rosa up. She's like full. So now I'm gonna unpack. We also received our first move-in new house letter from our mortgage advisor. So that's very nice. And I got myself a wreath, and I've had this wreath holder for a long time, waiting for a house where I can put my wreath, and this is it. So let's do it. Now let's bring everything in.
Was out drinking, looking for the next thing. I couldn't really settle down. Always on the run, I didn't want to slow down. But baby, then you came around. Yeah, you came around.
I came home to chill a little bit. This is my lunch. Watching Gilmore Girls. Simba is very confused because we're not in the house for like the majority of the day, and he's so used to me being at home. Our house is a total mess, and I cannot wait to move stuff there. We're gonna start doing it from tomorrow, because today I'm gonna do the carpets. Let me turn around. Today we're gonna do the carpets upstairs, and while that is clean, then we can start moving stuff in. So it's close, but I feel like we might have taken on a bit of a challenge with the painting of the cabinets. But I'm currently doing the carpets, cleaning the carpets, and if you ever think that your carpets look clean, this didn't look clean, but if you think your carpets look generally clean, maybe think again, because this is the water that has came out of ours. It's nasty. I've done 1.5 tiny rooms because our bedrooms are quite small, and I've got all that out of them. So I'll replenish the solution. I'll start again. I have half of this room to do, and then the hallway, our primary bedroom, and the stairs, which I think the stairs are gonna be a nightmare, but it's fine. I'll finish tonight and then it's done and we can move stuff in. Now we're gonna go and eat some pizza. I got it earlier when I went shopping and I'm starving. Another day done. We're going home at almost midnight. It's only 11 o'clock. We've done better today. But this is now clean. All the windows are clean. I've cleaned the carpets upstairs, and I think tomorrow we're probably gonna start bringing stuff in, right? And that's our TV that we found in this house, and it's the biggest TV, so we're gonna put it in the conservatory as well. But let's go home. Our dining table is coming. I've been working here for like the past couple of hours. I've got my laptop, I have my to-do list, everything's set up. I can't show you much because I'm working. But my boyfriend just called me. We were expecting this delivery before Christmas. It's currently the 20th, and the installer just called to say he can come in an hour or tonight. So I said to my boyfriend, well, let him come tonight, because then we have time to do it. And he's like, no, I'm free now, I'll tell him to come in an hour. So now I have to make sure all of these is hidden away. I have to mop. My partner is bringing the rug, because we have a rug from here. And then we'll have our dining table tonight. That's amazing. So let's mop quickly and clean everything. I just had a call. I finished, but I think the pool table has been installed, because that's why I came upstairs to have this call. So let's see. Let's go downstairs.
queue. That queues were they give to us a standard. They are shit, but I don't know. I'll go to Decathlon or something to buy a medium one.
It's so nice and it fits so nice and it's so beautiful. This is how this wall looks like. It's super nice and we've just primed everything else, so it's all ready for that lovely sage green. Here's another view of the dining table. We will open it up and play a game afterwards as well, but we just want to make sure we do the painting first so it dries out.
I believe this is a proof of our work.
Sometimes I love too hard. Sometimes you go too far. Cool down, my love. Cool down, my love. Yeah. Sometimes there's attraction. It's hard to keep up with your passion. So cool down, my love, cool down, my love. Sometimes I wanna give all of me. Sometimes I wanna scream, oh my God, you got me in so much trouble now, now. Sometimes I just wanna tell you to stop so you don't go and break my heart. I'm so confused, babe, I just don't know. So now I gotta make up my mind. Do I wanna leave it all behind? I can't let you go so easily. 'Cause baby, we got chemistry, chemistry.
I'll close the vlog here tonight. It's around 10, but we have just finished cleaning the whole place. There's our robot, but we can't install it yet because it needs Wi-Fi, we don't have. But we're gonna play some pool just to enjoy. Tomorrow we're moving, so tomorrow I'm gonna start the actual moving vlog. But until then, I hope you enjoyed these last few days with us, just trying to figure out what to do in this house for it to be ready for moving. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye!